Look at this foolishness, family.
You've heard of plant-based protein powder, but what if the next alternative was made out of plastic? There's new research that could make it a reality.
All right, Stacey Delcat talked to a scientist about the process that could help fight hunger and pollution.
Food shortages are worsening around the world, and the plastic pollution crisis continues to intensify. What if there was one solution to both of these problems? A Michigan scientist thinks there could be.
What we're trying to do is to use microbes to take plastic and other inedible plant material and turn that into something that's nutritious.
No. The idea is to turn components of plastic into protein and other nutrients like fats and sugars.
Hell no. That is a bad idea. I don't like that idea. Not one bit. That sounds like it's a whole bunch of health problems and cancers going to come along with that. Now, one idea I do like is the idea that Julian Brown, who we actually did a live with, the video is up here. We did a live with this brother. He's turning plastic waste into fuel, into gas. He calls it plastiline. He could turn that into gasoline, power cars, power weed whackers, lawnmowers, and things like that. Now that's a positive idea. Go that direction with the plastic waste. But trying to eat it, no. I don't want no synthesized plastic turned into food that I'm eating. No, that sounds like a bad idea. It sounds like a whole bunch of health issues and things of that kind of a nature. Now, one thing, now they're talking about a health or a food crisis going on. When I was in Africa, I ain't seen no food crisis, and I was in the poorest country that they said in the world. I was in Burundi, and food was in abundance. They had pineapples. Pineapples was like 11 USD cent. They had this fish over there called mokeke in abundance, which is the best fish that I've ever tasted. El Capitan fish. They had everything there in abundance. You know what I'm saying? Stuff growing on trees, mangoes.
Wow, look at all these mangoes. Whoa, they're nice size too. You can take the weight off the tree.
Lemons, anything you could think of. You understand what I'm saying? Now, if this is going on in the U.S., if there's a food crisis over there, leave the black farmers alone. Let them be able to do what they got to do. You understand what I'm saying? And there'll be more food out there, family. You understand? Stop terrorizing the black farmers over there. Give them what they're supposed to get. And there'll be food over there. All this getting plastic and turning it into food, no, that's corny. That sound nasty. And that sound like it's a health risk. I like my natural food. My natural food is good enough. Pears, mangoes, apples, kale, things of that nature. We don't need all this extra stuff out of plastic, man. I'm good. That soy is plasticky enough.